In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to update your zip code shapes in AlignMix to the most recent shapes, which have just been released. These shapes are Q2 2026 shapes. Now to start, simply open up your AlignMix file, click on File, and then click on Download and Install Geography here on the left. Here at the top of this pop-up, you will see the 5-digit zip codes for 2026 Q2, and then below that you'll also see the low resolution. Now the low resolution zip code shapes you'd want to download if you plan on uploading your sales territories that you've created to Google Maps, which require the lower resolution shapes for that export-import. Most of you will be using the 5-digit zip codes in high resolution. Go ahead and click on Download, and those shapes will download. When the download is finished, simply click on OK. And now, when you click on Info, and then on License and Copyright, and under Data License, you'll still see that the data description shows that this current file is in 2025 Q4. That's because we started in an older version. To update, you would simply go to File and click on Update Geography. We don't want to save. And here you'll see that the 2026 shapes are available. Now you'll only need to do this for existing files. So anytime you open up an existing file, it'll give you a pop-up asking you to update. Brand new files will default to the 2026 Q2 shapes. Clicking on OK, this file that I have created already here in the background, it looks blank because it mostly is. But now when I click on License and Copyright Data License, you'll see that it does show the 2026 Q2 shapes. And there you have it. You've just learned how to update your zip code shapes to the newest version available.